What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the one and only The Fiend, Bray Wyatt. This is the Elite or Series 77, the SummerSlam. This is an awesome figure. You know, this figure was one of the, well, still is the most sought after figure as well. Awesome. I think this is one of the best figures so far to come out this year, and can't wait to unbox him, review him for you all. So let's get started. So let's take him out. The package. This is an awesome figure. I recently ordered this, so it finally came in. Excited to get him out, add him to my collection as well. Throw it to the side, so right off the bat when you unbox him, the packaging, something they started doing is adding the interchangeable hands. Got his lantern with his old gimmick. Gonna take him out. And then we'll take his hand out as well. And then take his lantern out. Stuck in there. Take that to the side. So we'll go ahead and set him up here now. This figure is incredible. Very detailed. You know, the already Elites, highly articulated. Let's see if the camera focuses in. There you go. Highly articulated. You see that face scan. Very detailed. Awesome figure from the tattoos. And this is awesome. His gloves says hurt and heal. The Fiend, Bray Wyatt. Let's see if you might have to change his other hand so he could grab the lantern. So overall, I think this was an awesome figure to first time in the line, The Fiend, Bray Wyatt, to add to their collection. This is definitely a must-have for collectors, or for anybody really. From the hands to the back to the pants, articulations spot on. Haven't had no issues with this figure. Not that I know anyway, so not that I see from him. But overall, this is a must-have. Awesome figure. Very detailed. Tattoos are awesome. So yeah, that was my figure review. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I got a lot of figures in. I'm excited to review them for you all. Until next time, everybody.